Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Looker developer demo. In this demo, we are going to create a view, add dimensions and measures to the view, and finally we are going to join a view to an existing explore. Let me open the quick lab link. So I am changing the language. So I am going to start the lab now. Okay. So I am going to open the Looker. So this is the free only friends you can use. Just copy the username and password. So I have copied the username and the password I am copying, and I am updating the password and stay logged in, login. Okay, so you can read the theory. We are going to do the demo only, so we can see these things. Already have uploaded the concept video. If you are not watched, you can watch that video. Now we are going to create this view. In this section we are going to do this first. On the top left on the Looker user interface, so we need to toggle this developer mode just on this development mode. Next click the develop tab and then select the quick labs e-commerce. So just click develop and select quick labs e-commerce, just click it. Then next step, yeah, it came now. Next, to create the file at the project's root level, we need to click the plus button. So here we need to click the plus button under the file browser, and now create view. So we need to copy this user limited. So just select this user limited, copy this, and now click create view. We need to click the plus button and click create view, and here we need to update the file name as user limited. Just click create now, and after we created our new file, click the arrow next to the views folder to see a list of the existing. So just click this drop down so you can see the existing. And next what we need to do, just drag down friends, users limited, just click and drag only, drag and put it here, that's it. So now we have done this step. And next add some dimensions and measures. Now that note, you have created a new file and organized into your project file browser. Start by specifying the view name and SQL table you want to connect your view. For this example, we will be connecting to the dataset used for the QuickLab e-commerce project. This is the same table for users view. Add the following code line. So just copy it and here just enter it. Just I am adding this line 2. Yes, done. And entering now. Now add a few dimensions. Here you will be adding the user's ID, count, country, email, first name and last name. Just copy this few dimensions from here, and I'm pasting it here under the user limited view. So next step, so next add a measure. This will be used for accounting specific dimensions. So just copy this measures count and enter new, and I mean enter it and copy paste here. Okay, now we have done it. Click save changes. Now we need to click changes, and great, you are all done adding dimensions and measures to your new view. So I'm going to click save changes. Yes, we need to click save changes only, save changes. Just I have clicked the save changes friends now. Okay, okay, next we need to actually next we need to click commit changes. Yeah, I'm just referring it. Okay, we have done it correctly. Next step, what we need to do, so we need to commit changes. You can see these things. I think we have done it correctly only. Yes, we have done it correctly. So I'm hiding one more braces. Okay, it doesn't matter, I mean expecting, I'm removing it. Just I'm removing, yeah, no need to do anything. Yeah, let it be. Okay, okay, commit changes and deploy to production. Now we need to click commit changes and push, commit changes and push. And here we need to give the messages. So whatever message we can give, just I'm giving commit message. So as per your wish you can give. So I'm giving like commit message from here. I'm copy paste it here from here, commit message, add a commit message. Just I'm giving this and just click commit. Then we need to lastly we need to click the deploy production. Okay, so I have clicked the deploy production. Just wait for it, it is loading. Okay, so now I'm going to check my progress. We have created a view successfully. Yeah, done. Next, join a view to an existing explorer in the file browser. Under the models folder, navigate to the training e-commerce model. So under the this file browser models, so here we need to select to the navigate to the training e-commerce model. Just click it, and now we came in the explorer events definition. Add a new line after join users and paste the following. Just copy here After the join users, we need to paste that. This is the explore events. Okay, fine. After the join users, we need to paste it here. Just enter it and paste it here. Now we need to click save changes. Our project will should now resemble the following like this. Now I click changes. Now next step, click the caret next to the file title at the top of the IDE and select explore events. So we need to go to the training e-commerce model. Just click this drop down, and here explore events we have. Just click it, and you can see now next navigate to our new view in the explore page by selecting the users limited left side. Just click it here, drop down, and first name I need to select, and count we need to select. So next, under the users limited, select the first name and dimension and the count measures. So we have selected successfully, and now I am clicking run. Then we can see the first name and count. So like this we can see. Sorry, I opened wrongly. Okay, so it is running right now. Done. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, okay friends, so I am running again, sorry for that. Okay, so now navigate back to the training e-commerce model file. So it has done. You can see the results here. Okay, now we need to click the looker and navigate back to the training e-commerce model file. So just click this develop and quick labs e-commerce, just click it, and here we have this training e-commerce model, and from here we need to click commit changes and push. So here click commit changes and push, and message we need to copy paste, add a commit message at whatever message you can give friends. I am giving us a commit message, briefly describe the changes you have. Okay, now just click commit, and then we need to click deploy to production. That's it friends. So we have successfully done our lab. So now we are going to check our progress. We have completed the join view to an explore. So we have done this lab friends. So in this lab we have what we have learned means we have learned how to create a view and how to add dimensions and measure to it and join the view to an existing explore. We have successfully done the lab. So this is a free lab only friends, you can try this. I'll give the link in the description. So thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed my YouTube channel, you can subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to upload more videos about the Google Cloud platform. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.